What is up, everybody? Today we have a special holiday pair of Lowheat. This is I think, a re-release of a shoe that came out last year from Adidas. And, to my knowledge, Nike is really the only one that kind of does some shoes that are a nod to weed culture. But Adidas decided to get in on the game. I don't know, maybe Adidas has done a few others, but I think they have. I don't think this is the only one. But to my knowledge, Nike's the only one that has a recurring, 420 themed rotation of releases. Each year, usually they do, an SB Dunk. And last year, Adidas, not specifically, I don't know if it was like 420 related, but they did drop a South Park Towelie campus sneaker. So what we got here is the Campus 80 Towelie edition, special Towelie edition. In we'll see what colors. Anyways, this is not my size. This is size 9.5. I copped these for my friend Connor on the Confirmed app. I think because I'm a diamond, whatever the highest confirmed level you can be, I have pretty good success ratio, and so I was able to hit. He tried for these, didn't hit, mainly to all the Yeezys I've copped over the years, which is definitely coming to an end. So I was glad I was able to get these for him, not only for him, but now I'm able to keep my status a little longer since I won't be buying Yeezys as much. So let's check these out and see how they are in hand. There's probably a bunch of other videos unboxing of these, since this is a re-release. So if you are watching this, I appreciate you watching. Please hit that subscribe button. It's free. It's a free subscription, and I'd appreciate it. Do the likes and all that if you would. That would be great. But yeah, let's take a look at these. So I think these will be interesting. I am, full disclosure, I was a South Park fan. Not a diehard throughout the years fan, but just like everyone, when it premiered back in the early 2000s, I was on board. Ooh, so you had the packaging on the outside I showed off, and you have a cool character paper. The four main characters, and then, whoa. All right. These are pretty cool. Like, you see them in pictures and you're like, okay, kind of cool looking, a little gimmicky. But then when you actually feel them, then it's like, okay, these are real. I mean, the most obvious thing is this terry cloth towel feel to it, which, I mean, is a must in Towelie's colors. These are pretty cool. These are pretty dope. I was a little skeptical, nowadays. It seems like nowadays there's just a collab every single day with a franchise, an IP. Back in the day it was a little bit more rare. Adidas, would collab with Star Wars once in a while. I remember when they had the Dragon Ball Z collab, like the Goku shoes. Those were super hard. I wanted those so bad. They just, like, the resale market was just high on those. And but now it's real interesting. Like, just collabs don't have quite the specialness that they used to. And so but one thing that did remain, I think these, though, specifically stand out because these are popular. I mean, resale on these aren't a ton. It's around retail, but people do want these. These did sell out, and these aren't dipping below retail. So that's something special. Like, I mean, just recently, I think it was the Vans had a Bruce Lee collab. I like Bruce Lee. It's just like, sometimes it's just collab fatigue. These, however, I think hold a special place in people's hearts. For both the show and the collab. I think this is a good execution of a collab. The silhouette is maintained. Nothing changes with the panels and the color blocking, but then you have this very clear direction with the towel material on the outside. Just the eyes basically keeps it. I mean, this is a good execution, I think. To be honest, like I said, enjoyed South Park. I remember my mom, who was a teacher, didn't want me to get a South Park t-shirt because she thought the show was vulgar. She did let me watch, though, so, I mean, I can't complain too much growing up. But I kind of got off of it maybe after season 7. I do remember Towelie. To be honest, I wasn't a huge fan of the Towelie character. I thought he was kind of stupid. Like, weed humor and getting high humor is like, eh. I thought it was funny the way everyone reacted to him. That was what was funny. Him himself, I could take or leave, but I take part in cannabis activities maybe once a year, every other year. But weed humor to me just it doesn't hit sometimes. But man, I am one of those people though. When I am high, I'm like everything's fun. Everything's funny. Everything, my body like feels crazy. I should not be behind the wheel of a car. It's crazy. But here's the quote. His famous quote: "Don't forget to bring a towel." That's what he says in it. That's his catchphrase with a stash pocket. And then on the right foot, I have no idea what's going on. Catchphrase when he's high. So cool Velcro stash pocket in there. You got lace tips right there. White and yellow lace tips. White outsole, midsole. Adidas logos on the heel. And yeah, the signature eyes on the top. No extra laces. Oh, we got some. Ooh, that's cool. Comes with a Towelie, a high Towelie keychain. That's cool. I have no idea what's going on. Yes, these 2021. It has the copyright there. Let's see if we can see inside here. If it says 2020, no, these are manufactured in this year for 2022. Just coming out now though, maybe supply line stuff. Let me know in the comments what you think of these. I like these, but let's be honest here. I'm again affinity for the character. So let's give these a rating. I think the quality's nice. Like you have this like leather on the liner here, leather on the tongue liner there. Definitely cool quality. Kind of that same material on the insole. So I think this is a very nice campus Adidas shoe. That's for sure. Let's see here. I think it's a cool design. Like the colors, stays with the theme and the character. Was supposed to come out in April. Didn't though. So like the execution. Decent construction and quality. I think we're above a 5. I don't think, like, for me, 7 is the baseline of a good shoe for me. Like, I do think this is good, but just as far the rating for me it's a personal rating. It's not like this is the rating for the people. This is my personal rating of how much I like the shoe. And so therefore, that's going to factor in. So 7 for me is like, I personally like the shoe. I do think this is a great shoe. It's above 5, 6. I think this gets a 6 for me. Would wear it. But I don't think I would cop this myself. I'm glad I was able to get it for my friend, though. Let me know in the comments if you have any 420 related sneakers. What do you think of the South Park collab and specifically this shoe? I would appreciate it. Be sure to check out, subscribe because I got other unboxings coming up and you won't want to miss those. This is the rare low rating for me. Again, I didn't buy this shoe for me, so yeah. What do I got on feet today? I got these. Very comfortable. Like them a lot. Definite Lowheat. All right, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Don't forget to bring a towel.